Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today in this video we are going to learn how to create number field type in Salesforce, and we are going to discuss this topic in both edition in Salesforce Lightning as well as Classic. So before we will proceed to learn how to create it, we will first discuss what is number field type in Salesforce. The number field type is defined as a field type that permits the user to enter any number. The number entered by the user is treated as a real number and any leading zero are removed. The Salesforce also uses the half up tie breaking rule for the number field type. We can take an example to make a little clear this half of tie breaking rule as 12.345 is a decimal number. The tie breaking rule is applied to it becomes 12.35, and in the negative we take minus 23.456 and it becomes minus 23.46. Now let's move ahead and discuss how to create number field type in Salesforce Lightning. This is my Salesforce Lightning code for creating number field type in Salesforce. We firstly move to our gear icon. This is my gear icon. Click on that, and under this gear icon there are two options. First one is setup and another one is service setup. Click on the setup option. After clicking on the setup option, the setup page is open. Under this setup page, you can see that there are two tabs are present on the nav bar. The first tab is Home tab and the another tab is Object Manager tab. Click on the Object Manager tab. The Object Manager page is open, and under this page you can see that lots of objects are present, and we want to select the student object, so we enter the student in the search box and the student object is comes at the top. Select the student object. The student object page is open. Under this page we can see that there is a detail section, and under this section we can see that there are a field and relationship option. Click on that. After clicking on the field and relationship option, the field and relationship page is open. For creating the field type, click on the new button. After clicking on the new button, the data type page is open. There are lots of data types are present, and here we are selecting the number data type. So scroll to the bottom of the page and click on the number checkbox and then click on the next button. Now enter the detail related to the student field. So firstly fill the student label, and here we are filling the student label as late fees, and then give the length as 18 and decimal places as 0, and then fill the field name which is automatically filled by simply clicking on this field, and then click on the next button. Now establish the field level security. Select the profile to which we grant the added access to this field via field level security. The field will be hidden from all the profiles if we do not add it to the field level security. And here we want to visible all the checkbox of profile. So we click on the visible checkbox and click on the next option. Now add to the page layout. Select the page layout that should include this field. The field will be added as the last field in the first two column section of this field. The field will not appear on any pages if we do not select all layout, and then click on the save button. After saving the field, we come back to our field and relationship page, and you can see that the late fee with a number data type is created successfully. Now move forward and learn how to create number field type in Salesforce Classic. For moving to our Salesforce Classic version, firstly click on the profile picture, and under this profile picture there is a switch to Salesforce Classic option. Click on that option. After clicking on the switch to Salesforce Classic option, we move to our Classic version. Now here we can create our number field type. So for this, firstly click on the username, and under this username we can see that there is a setup option. Click on the setup option. The setup page is open. Under this setup page, we can see a quick find box. Enter the order object in the quick find box, and you can see that the order object. Under this order object, there is a fields option. Click on the fields. The order fields page is open. Now scroll to the bottom of the page. We can see that the order custom field and relationship section, and under this section the lots of fields are created, but we want to create the new field, so we click on the new button. After clicking on the new button, the data type page is open. There are lots of data types are present, but we want to select the number data type, so click on the number checkbox and click on the next button. Now here we enter the detail related to the order object. Firstly, fill the field label as order number, and then fill the length as 18 and give the decimal places as 0, and after that fill the field name by which is automatically filled by simply clicking on the field, and then click on the next button. Now establish the field level security. Select the profile to which we want the added access to this field via field level security. The field will be hidden from all the profile if we do not add it to the field level security. Here we want to visible all the profiles of the field level security, so we click on the checkbox visible and click on the next button. Now here add to the page layout. So we select the page layout that should include this field. The field will be added as the last field in the first two column section of this page layout, and we click on the save button. After clicking on the save button, we come back to our order field page. Now scroll to the bottom of the page. Here we can see that the order field and relationship section, and under this order field and relationship section we see that the order number with the number data type is created successfully. So with this we have learned how to create number field type in Salesforce. So if this video was helpful, click on the like button and also subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos like this one. Thanking you for watching. Have a great day.